Hello.
Hello.
Who are you two?
My name's Dimitri, and this is Laggy, my son.
And how old are you both?
I'm 40.
I'm 12.
40 and 12?
Yeah.
Okay. Does it worry you might end up looking like your dad? No, you're right about it.
I'm not obliged to answer that.
Can you actually position yourselves now in your heads at the Royal Variety Show? The Queen's sitting in her box, and you think you've done that good enough for that, do you?
Well, if Prince Philip's there, we're halfway there, because he's Greek as well.
Yeah,
so.
exactly.
Phil the Greek.
Okay, good luck.
See you in a sec.
Ladies and gentlemen, many years ago in Cyprus lived a man who loved to dance. He would dance for the villagers, and the villagers loved to watch him dance. Well, ladies and gentlemen, tonight, here for one night only, would you please welcome Mr. Stavros Flatley.
Simon?
Can I say, this is one of my favourite ever dance acts. And you two, you just have the most fantastic relationship, don't you? Yeah, it's great. I love that. Okay, we're going to go over to Bjorn Morgan.
I found your act incredibly entertaining. What worries me is your physical condition, Dan.
It fit.
Yeah?
No, he's fit.
It's a lot of food that I had to do.
We can see that.
That's part of being Greek.
Yes.
I want to be Greek so much right now.
I completely agree with the boys. I'm ecstatic because it came completely out of left field. I had no clue what was going to happen.
Okay, right. Piers, yes or no?
Absolutely yes.
Amanda?
What's Greek for yes?
Yeah.
Ne. Yes from me.
You've got 3 yeses.
Brilliant. Stavros Flatley.
My God.
I don't think anybody in this theatre expected that.
It made me laugh my head off. And the little boy was brilliant.
How much do you look up to your dad and enjoy what he does?
I look up to him so much. He's just a role model.
I ain't got no money. He wants more pocket money now.
Very, very funny.
Yeah.
Like them a lot.
You think that nothing can surprise you on this show.
Yeah.
It was a complete surprise.
Hilarious. The pair of them were just hilarious.